Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 24th August 2020. Let us listen and imbibe precious words by Prakashmani Dadeji. Srimad says, listen the Murli daily, get up in the morning, bath in jewels of knowledge, walk in dignity, take care of the Brahman clan. Introduce everyone to Father and be united, practice concentration and be bodiless. This practice will eliminate scarcity weaknesses. Let's start the godly versions. Sweet children, constantly maintain the happiness that you have completed this cycle of 84 births and that you are now to go back home. Only a few more days of the suffering of karma now remain. Question: which aspect should you children who are to become conquerors of sinful acts pay a great deal of attention to in order to remain safe from performing sinful acts? Answer: pay attention that you never become body conscious. Body consciousness is the root of all sinful acts. Therefore, repeatedly become soul conscious and remember the Father. You definitely receive the fruit of both good and bad acts. At the end, your conscience would bite you. Therefore, in order to lighten the burden of your sins of this birth, tell the Father everything very honestly. Essence for Dharana. When you have time, sit in solitude and churn good points of knowledge, then write about them. Think of ways of giving everyone the messages and how to benefit everyone. Second point, in order to remain safe from performing sinful acts, be soul conscious and remember the Father. You must no longer perform sinful acts. Tell Babdada honestly about the sin you have committed in this birth. Blessing: may you constantly be happy and victorious and experience contentment by becoming full and perfect. Those who are filled with all treasures are constantly content. Contentment means fullness. The Father is full. He is therefore praised as the ocean. In the same way, you children also become master oceans. That is, you become full and constantly continue to dance in happiness. Nothing but happiness can be inside you. Because you yourselves are full, you will not be troubled by anyone. You will experience any type of confusion or obstacles to be a game, and any problem will become some means of entertainment. Because your intellects have faith, you will be constantly happy and victorious. Slogan: do not be afraid of delicate situations. Learn a lesson from them and make yourselves strong. Om Shanti.